Plug, man. That's a plug, man. What you got, man? What's good, dog? You know what it is? It's a three-wheel thing with all them lights. And that be the bike. Just taking your night like it's a movie. Now you had to do me. Rex living, pop TV in the jacuzzi. Now back of that juicy. Keep your clean, bike looking mean. Boy, you can close your mouth. This ain't a dream. Want me pull up in that thing and make a silent chain. Make watch throw away the ring. Bitches call me the king. Take them home and make them cream. Bitch call us the kings. Gucci down everything. Pirelli Rebel keep it stable, nigga. T-Rex is the label. Rebel ass driver, nigga. That's who you ran into. Glowing in the dark like an ultra whistle. Muzzle pipes throwing the sparks. Even the chrome need a tissue. High class rollers, THC in the pistons. Street kings, nigga. South Beach killers. Rich oil base kicking thriller. Three more things deliver. Haters sip that dinner. 1.5 up living. Third gear chilling. 5-star women with the end dash kicking. The colors keep switching. And that's Rex living.